Today we're going to do a repurpose on one of the items that I bought at Hobby Lobby recently for 90% off. I have no idea what we're going to do. I always wing it, and that's what I like about doing these projects. If you enjoy the content that I create on this channel, please make sure that you subscribe and let other people know. My channel can't grow without your help. So I'm going to gather supplies and I'll be right back and we'll get going. You got to watch this. I think what we're going to do is this $15.99 frame that was from Hobby Lobby. I paid $1.59 for it. It is a 4x6. I'm going to Mod Podge over this, and I think I'm going to start with some scrapbook type of paper. We'll go from there. I've picked out some various ribbons that we can use on here as well. I've got buttons. I've got just some little fun odds and ends. I grabbed my little pearls and beads. Got a little set here that I just recently got in a kit with something. And some little buttons. They're like little fairies. And I think these were at Hobby Lobby as well, but a long time ago. And they're regularly $2.99 and they were 74 cents. So in order to put these on, I'm probably going to clip the back of this where you would sew the button onto the fabric. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to grab my Mod Podge here, and I keep this in a squeeze container, so it's a little easier, a little bit less messy. Sometimes. And I'm just going to apply a nice thin coat. Make sure I got the edges here. All right. And now I'm going to just place my scrapbook paper. And this is Cricut paper. We're going to stop right here, and I'm going to remove the glass. Oh, I think this does not come out. No. All right. Well, we'll just take this stuff off right now. And I can always clean the glass later. All right, now that I've got this laid on here, I'm going to try and cut into my corner a little bit. Make sure that this is laying down nicely. If not, just go over it with a little bit more. You have to learn how to use this squirt bottle. And now we are going to cover the scrapbook paper. Get your air bubbles out. All right, let's do another coat of Mod Podge on here, just to make sure everything is down nicely. And then we'll get to the fun stuff. Oop. I'm going to start by laying out a little bit of glue here. I'm going to lay down this pretty ribbon. $0.99, and you get 6 feet of it. Yes, Paper Studio, so that would be from Hobby Lobby. Just put a little dot here and here, and then I think one in the center. And I think we will randomly place some ribbon, hopefully without burning myself. There. I'll trim it up later when it's dry. I have this cute little ribbon that I got on clearance. Looks like an orange tag from Hobby Lobby. 49 cents, regularly $2. And this is in the sewing department. Yeah, like just like that. Also picked up these little Scrabble letters, and I was gonna spell out cuties. This, I think I might glitter. I have got some really pretty glitters that I brought over. Once again, way too much Mod Podge. So I'm just gonna cover this, and let's use the purple. Let's look at what we've got here. Did pretty good. All right. Not sure where I want to put that yet, so I'm going to just set it aside. Over a button that I've already taken the shank off of the back. All right, as far as the fairies, here's one with green and here's one with pink. So what we need to do is take the shank off. And what I'm gonna do is just use my wire cutters, and I'm just gonna snip that off. And these are plastic, so they'll come right off. We go. Now find another place for her. What I do want to do is see if I can make a bow out of, there we go. Put that right down here. zip tie it, pull your loop up.